Hello, my name is Karna. I represent Future Group. I manage campus and employee engagement for the group. One thing, the highlight of the program is the trash activity, the baggage which you carry. The way we executed it made me feel very relief. One thing which I'm going to take back to the organization, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to implement some or other wall, maybe try and do a gratitude wall, stay connected wall. Implementing the gratitude wall or we connected wall will help me. I mean, we don't have any employee recognition and reward program. So maybe by creating those wall, we will take a step forward and try appreciating people. Maybe it could be a thank you card or put the sticks in the envelope. The only challenge we'll have is that we have, like, per office we have 2,000 to 2200 employees, so maybe we'll have to figure that out. Maybe